In December 2020, Pfizer Biontech vaccine was granted approval by the U.S. regulator after the clearing of final phase 3 clinical trial. However, there are rumors about the estimated study completion date of January 23, 2023. Same goes to Moderna COVID vaccine with completion date of October 27, 2022. In February 2021, a social media user posted on Facebook, leaving a statement and a question of, COVID-19 vaccine trials are ongoing. What does that mean for those taking the vaccine? On the same month, someone posted on social media stating that every single person taking one of the COVID vaccines is taking part in clinical trial unknowingly. With a screenshot of a news article about residents of an Indian slum thought they were getting vaccinated like everyone else but were unknowingly part of the clinical trial. There was even a deleted video on Facebook and YouTube from someone who calls himself Old Man in a Chair. He made claims that the COVID-19 vaccines are experimental and says anyone who gets a vaccine is taking part in an experiment without their consent. The experts explained that the vaccines have completed the necessary steps of each trial and were approved using an emergency use authorization. The Oxford University's Vaccine Knowledge Project discussed how vaccines are tested, licensed, and monitored for safety. The said estimated completion dates do not mean clinical trials are ongoing. Rather, it is doing the standard practice of monitoring after the vaccine has been approved and rolled out. In Pfizer press release last December 10, 2020, it was said that all trial participants will continue to be monitored to assess long-term protection and safety for an additional 2 years after their second dose. The shots being rolled out were approved after regulators evaluated evidence from a number of large clinical studies. It was already reviewed by the regulatory experts and WHO's team on the vaccine safety, efficacy, and quality as part of a risk versus benefit analysis. People taking the clinically approved vaccines are not part of the trial. I am Lovely Montoya of Manila STV.